Hey everyone, if you want to create transparent PNG images using remove.bg in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to convert any image into a clean, transparent PNG in seconds. A transparent PNG is an image without a background. It allows the subject to be placed on any design without a visible background. Transparent PNGs are commonly used for logos, product images, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, and design projects. Start by opening the remove.bg website on your browser. Click Upload and select the image you want to convert into a transparent PNG. Remove.bg will automatically detect your subject and remove the background within seconds. Click Download, and your image will be saved as a PNG file with a transparent background. Open the downloaded file in an image viewer or editor to confirm that the background is fully transparent. If needed, you can refine edges or replace the background using editing tools. Now you can use your transparent PNG in designs, thumbnails, websites, or presentations. The free version allows basic transparent PNG downloads, but higher resolution downloads may require a paid plan. For best results, use high-quality images with clear edges and good lighting for more accurate background removal. A common mistake is using blurry or low-resolution images, which can lead to poor edge detection, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to create transparent PNG images with remove.bg in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.